Hi, it's Emily at Twilight Planner here to share with you a flip through of my current setup. I am in the Foxy Fix Sugar Coconut in size A6, and I have it decorated with a fur and ewe felt floral on the front, as well as fur and ewe florals on the top too, and some TPS clips, as well as other random clips I found at Hobby Lobby. So let's get to the inside here. So for the inside cover, I have a calendar freebie printout online of the calendar, April calendar. And then in the pocket, I actually have a TPS Planner Society clip here. I prefer not to put my clips on my pockets, so I actually paper clip it on a cardstock to keep it from slipping out and then just tuck it in. So it stays in pretty well. Here I actually put a little something I designed using the TPS digital kit. It's actually a paper TN. It has a little bow and a strap up front, and then the little stitching for my notebook. If you open it up, I even added in the embellishments on the top here, like planner clips, I guess. But I like to use this as something to reference, something that's repeating often every week. So I like to put, it's good for like class schedules. For me, I put my the daycare schedule in here. So if I need to check on the schedule really quick, it's really easily accessible. So let's start with the first insert here, or my first dashboard. So my first dashboard is laminated. So throughout the setup here, you'll see different things I used from the physical Planner Society kit, as well as the digital kit too. And so you can find that Christy Tomlinson's digital kit on Etsy. So the first one here, I actually did a tutorial on how to make one of these kind of dashboards, and it's actually a slider card. So it comes out like that, and you can see the little pretty card on the back here. So the inside, I decided to throw on the other VW buggy on the inside. So this is my list insert. My second insert is here, and this one is, I just added a printed acetate. It's a little bit light-ish pink. And for my cluster dies here, I have, I put on the really cute old school camera. My dad used to have one of these, so this die cut is really special, has really special meaning to me. But I layered it with other die cuts from the kit, and put a doily as a base layer. So I like to mount all of my die cuts using foam mount. So I actually have a tutorial on how I make my cluster dies on my channel here. So you can check that out. So this is my calendar insert. Oop. And I have a little swan clip here. It matches the March digital, or the March TPS kit, and this is from Hobby Lobby. My next insert is my weekly insert, and it's probably my most used insert. So I just threw on a really pretty printed acetate here. I just really like the color on that. And those are the fur and ewe planner clips on the top. On the inside, I actually use my page markers. I make them attached. So if you've seen my other tutorials, I actually have a tutorial that I made an attached book marker or page marker on a video. But this particular one is all pretty much has a laminated base, and then I layered all the die cuts on top. So this would be my current week's spread, and the page marker would be wrapped inside the band there to hold the spot. I made this particular page marker to stick out on the top for easy access. And here's a close-up. So it's two pieces, so that when they stack on top of each other, it makes an image. So I have the many different layers on here. So for the swan, for instance, it's 3 different swan cutouts. So the middle one is a laminated one, and then I layered it with paper on both sides, and then I even printed another one and then cut out another layer for the flower. For the back of the page marker here, I actually used my little shaker, my clock shaker here, you can see it there. I also did a tutorial on how I made that one. I'm actually working on a tutorial for this specific page marker, so if you subscribe to my channel, once it's posted, you'll be able to watch it there. So for this one, I laminated the stack of suitcases here, and front and back, and ran that through the laminator, and then I added everything else on there. So here's my shaker die, and then the florals, and again I layered them up too. So this flower has just one big layer in the back, and then the little flowers on the top. And on this side, actually, this side is actually laminated into my base layer here. So that's my weekly page marker. My next insert is my, actually I don't have anything in it right now. I must have taken something out. But I really like how this acetate turned out with the typewriter. So for this dashboard, I used 2 pieces from the actual kit, and then this is printed out from the digital kit. So I made it a little bit bigger, and then this flower is from Hobby Lobby. For the ruffling here, this is from a spool that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. So it comes like this, and I found it in the same aisle as the paper clips, and it's just, you know, fabric sewed up together, but it makes it really easy to decorate the edges. And so I just attached it to the inside of my dashboard, and then layered it with other matching ribbon here. My next insert I have is actually a trifold here, and there is actually a tutorial on how to make this exact one on my channel, and this is how it works, just like that. So for the front, I actually used the laser cut envelope from the Planner Society from an older kit. I think it was from December. Threw on a die cut and then tied a ribbon around it. I actually reversed the pocket here, so I have the pocket on this side, and I just stuck in a little card here, and then I also put together this cluster here using the digital kit. So I cut it out and mounted it with foam mount. For my pockets, what I did with these is I laminated the inside pockets here, and then added Target dollar spot pockets in addition to them, so I can have more storage for my stickers. And then for this one, I could not commit a spot for this pretty swan, so I just am saving it in this little pocket here. So alright, so my very last insert is my shopping list. So I really like how this acetate came out too. I picked the more whiter background, so the just purple and whites here, so that it would contrast with the colorful acetate. So that turned out really pretty. And then here I used, actually this is a this is the slider card as well that I actually made during the YouTube tutorial too. So for this one, the swan comes out, and then you have the stack of suitcases here. So this is the actual one that I made in the tutorial. So I forgot to print the back, so there's really no back print in here, so I just threw it in here to use for my inserts around my shopping list. And then here's a pen from the March TPS kit as well too. So that's my flip through. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Just put your comments down below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other tutorials if you're interested in how I made the page marker for this one. And then also, please follow me on Instagram on Twilight Planner. So I hope to see you soon. Bye!